Hello everyone! Welcome back to our Odoo inventory tutorial series. In this video, we'll learn how inventory operations work in Odoo. We'll cover receiving products, performing internal transfers, processing delivery orders, understanding batch transfers, and tracking product movements. Let's begin by opening the inventory module and navigating to the overview page. Here, you can see the main inventory operation cards. Receipts are used to receive products from vendors. Delivery orders are used to ship products to customers. Internal transfers are used to move products between locations within the warehouse. Batch transfers allow multiple inventory operations to be grouped and processed together. In Odoo, every stock movement is managed through these inventory operations. Now let's create a receipt. Select Receipts. Click New to create a new receipt. Choose ABC Co-Supplier as the vendor and keep the operation type as Receipts. Next, click Add a Product, select Dell Laptop, and enter a demand quantity of 10. Click Save, and then click Validate to confirm the receipt. Once the receipt is validated, the products are successfully received and moved from the vendor location to the main/stock location. Now let's verify that the inventory has been updated successfully. Go to Reporting and select Stock. Search for the product, Dell Laptop. Here, you can see that the on-hand quantity has increased after the receipt was validated. You can also verify that the product is now available in the main/stock location. This confirms that receiving products through a receipt automatically updates the inventory and increases the available stock in the warehouse. Next, let's perform an internal transfer. Go to Operations and select Internal Transfers. Click New to create a new transfer. Select ABC Supplier as the contact and keep the operation type as Internal Transfer. Set the source location to WH/stock and the destination location to WH/stock rack A. Click Add a Product, select Dell Laptop, and enter a demand quantity of 5. Click Save, and then click Validate to complete the transfer. The inventory has now been moved from WH/stock to WH/stock rack A. Internal transfers help organize products by moving them between different locations within the warehouse while keeping inventory records accurate. Next, let's create a delivery order. Go to Operations and select Delivery Orders. Click New to create a new delivery. Select a delivery address and keep the operation type as Delivery Orders. Click Add a Product, select Dell Laptop, and enter a demand quantity of 2. Click Save, and then click Validate. If the immediate transfer wizard appears, click Apply to complete the delivery. Once the delivery is validated, the products are moved from the warehouse to the customer. Next, let's explore batch transfers. If the batch transfers feature is not enabled, go to Inventory, then Configuration and select Settings. Enable batch transfers and click Save. Then, go to Operations and select Batch Transfers. Click New to create a new batch transfer. Enter John as the responsible user and select Delivery Orders as the operation type. If eligible delivery orders are available, click Add Transfers and select the required delivery orders. Click Confirm, and then click Validate to process the batch. Batch transfers allow multiple inventory transfers to be grouped and processed together. This helps warehouse staff process several delivery orders in a single operation, improving efficiency and saving time. Next, let's view the stock moves. Go to Reporting and select Moves History. Here, you can see all the inventory transactions, including receipts, internal transfers, and delivery orders. This report provides a complete record of every stock movement, making it easy to monitor inventory activities. Then, let's track the product movements. Go to Reporting and select Move Analysis. Search for Dell Laptop to view its movement history. Here you can see the receipt, internal transfer, and delivery order associated with the product. Odoo records every inventory transaction, providing complete traceability from the moment a product is received until it is delivered to the customer. Finally, let's return to the inventory overview. Go to Inventory and open the Overview page. Here you can review the main operation cards, including receipts, delivery orders, internal transfers, and batch transfers. In this video, we received products into inventory, verified stock availability, performed an internal transfer, checked stock by location, processed the delivery order, explored batch transfers, viewed stock moves, and tracked complete product movements. Thank you for watching. See you in the next Odoo tutorial.